Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox mophie Powerstation. This is a portable charger for USB devices. I got this one from Best Buy for $15, which is not a bad price. Recently I've been seeing this one on sale quite often. Since I am actually looking for a new portable charger, I think this is a pretty good deal. Let's just look around the box. In the front we see the main product and the color is gray. There are plus 24 hours extra battery and the dual USB charge ports. That means you can charge two devices at the same time. Let's look at the back. In the back, they just highlight all the features. This one is 6,000 mAh. There's also a bigger one, and of course it will cost more. Also, it will be slightly heavier and larger. Now let's open to see what the inside looks like. Let's open the box. So we just push from the top so we can remove from the bottom. And first thing we see is the main product. Let's take it out. So here we have mophie Powerstation. It's pretty small and we can see the power button here with 4 lights. And on the top you can see there are 2 USB charge ports where you can charge your devices, and we also see a micro USB. This is where you charge this portable charger. And here's the back. And what else we have here? I believe there should be a cable, and we see there's actually a menu and the cable. And what else? Power for all, so you can charge off those devices, which there's a controller actually. So I guess this is a video game related. And let's just quickly look at the menu. So it's just a simple menu, tell you how to use it, which I'm pretty sure is very simple. You don't really need a manual to know how to use it. And here's a micro USB cable. I feel it's kind of short actually. And you just plug into here and you can just charge this portable charger. That's it. This is the mophie Powerstation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing in the future.